Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about hosting a static website using Amazon S3 Bucket. As you guys can see, I'm logged into my AWS management console and I am on the console home. So the first thing I'm going to do is to click on or go to services and look for S3 Bucket. I'm going to click on S3 and I'm going to come over here, create bucket, and I'm going to click on create bucket. I'm going to give it a name, right? I'm going to call it my bucket and IL 4. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to use the AWS region US East 2. I'm going to leave the ACL disabled and I'm going to come on block all public access. I'm going to uncheck it. Then I'm going to acknowledge it over here. Then I'm going to go all the way to the bottom and I'm going to click on create bucket. And my bucket is created. Now that my bucket is created, I'm going to click on my bucket. I'm going to go on properties and I'm going to go all the way down to static website hosting. And I'm going to click on edit. And I'm going to it's disabled, but I'm going to enable it. And it's going to ask me for my index document. I'm going to put my index.html. I don't have the error document, so I'm not going to put it. I'm going to go all the way down and click on save changes. Now, if I go back all the way down, I'm going to see that we have a Bucket website endpoint. I can click over here, but it's going to say access denied. To fix this access denied, we're going to go back to our bucket and we're going to go all the way up and we're going to click on permissions. On permissions, we're going to look for bucket policy and we're going to come on edit. Then I'm going to put my GitHub link in the chat. I'm going to copy this JSON policy and I'm going to paste it right here. Then I'm going to delete where you see bucket underscore name. I'm going to delete it. And I'm going to copy the name of my bucket over here. And I'm going to paste it right here. Then I'm going to go all the way down to save changes. If I click again, you will see that it says 404 not found. That's good. So there's no more access denied. This is happening because we don't have a website, a static website upload. So that is what we're going to do next. So on the right, you're going to see my static website. I have it locally. So I want to move it into my S3 bucket. So I'm going to click on object and I'm just going to select everything and move it right there. And I'm going to go down and click on upload. When it's done uploading, as you can see over here, I click on close. So now if I go back and I refresh this one, I do have my website available. Let me make it bigger. And you're going to see Learn Tech with Yannick project. And you can see my videos right here. And this is just a picture. This is a video. 16. This is another video on YouTube. And if you want to have access to my YouTube channel, you can click over here. It's going to open a new window.
In this video, I will
And you can have access to my Facebook right here. and you can have access to my GitHub repository right here. So that is how we host a static website using Amazon S3 Bucket. You can go a little bit further by putting like DNS and all that, and it is up to you. But this is a good project for a beginner.